Stop worrying about bad credit and start driving your newer vehicle today because you're approved at 1-800-MAJOR-LOAN.
After the divorce, my credit was shot. I needed a car to get to work. I called 1-800-MAJOR-LOAN, and within 3 days, I had my car. Thanks a lot, Major.
1-800-MAJOR-LOAN has over 1,000 vehicles in stock. Late model Nissan Altimas from $59.95. Pre-owned Mazda MPVs only $79.95. Chevy Blazers just $99.95. Your next car's just a phone call away. 1-800-MAJOR-LOAN. Don't get turned down ever again.
It's Empire's big spring sale. We've got a giant warehouse full of carpet at a huge 50% off. We'll bring samples to your home so you can choose your carpet where you use your carpet. Install your new carpet next day. And with our warehouse direct prices, you'll save. Plus, no payments for 1 full year. Even a free Bissell sweeper. Save 50% during Empire's big spring sale. But there's just a little time. So call now.
800-588-2300 Empire.
There's a place where you get great prices on all brand names of mattresses. Whether you need a queen, a set of twins, or even the king.
Rockaway Bedding.
At Rockaway Bedding, you get it all. Great prices, a free bed frame, free delivery of your new mattress, and free removal of your old mattress. Nobody else does all that. Visit Rockaway Bedding or call 1-800-TRY-A-BED. Rockaway Bedding, the nice people in the mattress business.
Rockaway Bedding, yeah.
He's larger than life.
Oh, look, one of the mannequins escaped from the big and useless department.
She's tougher than nails.
Why no shield on your helmet? Bugs too afraid to hit your face?
And together,
Don't touch the troll!
Is that what your mom used to say to your dates?
Blow it out your butt when it's not busy.
they're bigger than anything.
We're 800 pounds of trouble.
The Drew Carey Show. Drew it 5 days a week.
Now on UPN 9.
Tonight at 11:30.
H-I-U. It's a puzzle. Work on it.
I'm here to see the big cheese.
I just missed it. The big ham, too.